features of RIoT's wireless monitoring. 1. Comprehensive sensor integration. RIoT helps us monitor multiple RIoT sensors tailored to your needs, all in one intuitive platform. 2. Real-time data visualization. RIoT enables us to assess live updates and historical trends to make informed decisions anytime, anywhere. 3. Versatile applications. RIoT is perfect for food safety compliance, water quality inspections, energy efficiency monitoring, security applications, and others. 4. Customizable alerts. It enables us to get instant notifications for any parameter breaches, ensuring swift action to mitigate risks. And 5. User-friendly interface. RIoT is designed for simplicity, so you can focus on what matters most. How does RIoT work? Mind you, it is no political riot. It is no demonstration. It is technological riot. Remote Internet of Things, and how does this work? It's important to note that RIoT wireless monitoring is powered by RF Solutions Limited, UK. This uses an RF and Wi-Fi gateway, which we called RIoT-Hub, to receive IoT sensor data and send this to the cloud, where it can then be accessed by the user via the secure website database. RIoT sensor sends data to RIoT-Hub via radio frequency at preset time intervals. Then the RIoT-Hub sends sensor data to the cloud. Sensor data is accessible in real time via RIoT Sense app or RIoT's wireless monitoring websites, as well as view historical data online. You can sign up and start using RIoT wireless monitoring. You first need to purchase your RIoT sensors and a RIoT-Hub directly from RF Solutions Limited, UK.
You want to switch it from inside the house, you want to switch it from outside the house. And you can pair up to 128 channels, so that's a lot of remotes or a lot of apps. And the keen-eyed amongst you might have spotted how we managed to power this 12-volt lighting system from this box. The secret is it can work off either mains voltage or low voltage, which is what we've done here. If you'd like to see how Rick did that, check out the extended footage here. If you'd like to learn more about dry, that sounds like plumber's words, or volt-free contacts, what are you worried? What if you think, I've left something on? Can you check the state of the relays remotely? That is the great thing about the app. You can remotely interrogate the RIoT device and the status of the relays is reflected in front of you in the app. Inside the box there's a generous amount of wiring room so you can configure the system to your needs.